Good evening, everyone. Got a quick unboxing of some fire stuff, and it's mostly just a couple extra pieces of Tinder to throw in the kit and throw in a backup kit. Something that came in today, I ordered it about a week ago, and this is coming in from, as you can see, FR-1 Defense. And I've never ordered from these guys before. I got it off Amazon. But it was really neat because they included a little note on the back that says, "Brad, big thank you. You rock. We appreciate your business. Safe travels and happy adventures. FR-1 Defense." And as you can see, it's handwritten, blue pen. Gotta love that. A little bit of personalization. Gotta like companies like that. So let's tuck into here. I took it out of the other bag because it was kind of almost demolished when it got to me. But we're going to come over here and get it open. So this has a bunch of stuff in it, so I'll just get it out of the bag and we'll throw it up here. So we have what looks like some lint, cotton material. Yeah, definitely looks a lot like dryer lint. Feels like dryer lint. Very, very soft, very fuzzy. You know, a little bit goes a long way, and you know, I've got enough in my kits already. This wasn't needed. This, of course, was also not why I purchased the kit. But nice bit of lint to get started. So we have a booklet. Looks like it might be some maybe instructions. Plastic bag, good to keep. So this looks like a sticker. And again, neat company. I have not seen these guys before. Yep, definitely has some step-by-step on it. I mean, we're dealing with some pretty flammable stuff here, and what I actually got this for was for these wicks. So we'll get into that here in just a second. This looks like just a few fire starting tips and tricks. Nice to include, you know, legal disclaimer, you know, not a toy, you know, pay attention, don't let your kids play, and then just some fire starting tips. And another piece here looks like different snare types. This is kind of cool. So this can be thrown into a bag for just some reading material. All kind of different stuff, front and back. As we see, interesting ways to gather fire, signaling, you know, all kinds of different things. Rope tying, all that. Navigation by the sun. Yeah, this will go in there. I'll throw this in the survival side of the kit. And this looks like some more notes and survival tips and stuff like that. So definitely, you know, you can't have enough reading material if you're just sitting out by a campfire and nothing else to do, but have a bourbon, have a smoke, and read, contemplate. So definitely some neat stuff there. Here's what we got. I'm going to leave most of these in the bag. It came with, let's see, 1, 2, let's see, 1, it's a lot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the tenders, or I should say wicks, actually. And what's cool, and what this is going to go with, is my little glow stick here from Uberlin. I couldn't find any of their Tinders. They weren't being sold. So I ended up finding some of these, and they're almost identical. These feel like there's a little more wax in them. But again, these are just to add to augment, to have spares. And heck, you know, get a couple more of just these pieces and I can make a whole bunch. But anyway, backups for backups. And that's pretty much it. You know, no need to demo any of these. I mean, we all know how they work. We all know how the Tinder works. And again, this will end up in the bag. And I'll throw one of these extra in my bag as well on another day. I'm working on packing and repacking the fire kit. But anyway, cool kit and nice little personalization. It was only a few dollars too, but definitely worth checking out. I'm sure they've got some other stuff on there, but if you're just looking for some wax, you know, impregnated jute twine, actual wicks, what they are, so they'll burn for a long time. Great spot. Like I said, nice little personal note. You don't get that from people hardly anymore. But definitely worth a look at. And hope you guys have a great afternoon.